Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Iron Simplicity. Hello friends, today I will show you a simple and beautiful bottle design using household items which are easily available. If you like my video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's begin the video. All you need is a glass bottle, cardboard, tissue papers, Fevicol and some acrylic paints. Take a clean bottle. In a bowl, mix 1 spoon of Fevicol with 2 spoons of water. Mix it well. This is the liquid which we are going to apply first on our bottle. Take the tissue roll and separate its layers. Now apply the Fevicol and water mix on the bottle. You can apply this liquid only on one side of the bottle. Gently place each tissues and dab it with a brush to form a pattern like this. You have to press very gently, otherwise tissue may separate. Take a brush with white bristles. After placing one layer, apply the Fevicol and water mix again and repeat the process. You can avoid placing the tissues on bottom and opening of the bottle. Dab it very gently. After placing the tissues, bottle will look like this. Allow it to dry completely. Bottle is completely dried. Now we are ready to paint the bottle. I am choosing a dark blue paint. Initially take an adequate quantity of blue paint and use a white bristle brush. Now apply the paint evenly. Make sure textures of tissues is completely painted without white spaces. As you can see, I may require more than a single coat of paint. Ensure uniformity. The completely painted bottle will look like this. Allow it to dry. Next, I am taking a golden metallic paint. Use a sponge. Gently dab the paint over the bottle. I am dabbing from top to the bottom, covering evenly the entire bottle. This is to ensure the textures are highlighted. As you can see, the entire bottle is evenly dabbed. I have avoided the bottom side of the bottle. Next, take a piece of cardboard commonly used as a packing material. I have cut rectangular strips of 8 by 3 inches dimensions. You can cut the rectangular strips as per the size of your bottle. I am removing outer layers to expose the stripes. Be careful not puncturing the stripes as it is the key feature of the design. Now apply Fevicol on the bottom face of the cardboard and wrap around the bottle as shown. This is how the bottle look like after placing the cardboard. Again take the tissue roll. Take about 30 centimeter length of tissue roll and divide it in 3 halves as I am showing now. The tissue will be in the form of a thin strip. Make sure each strip are of same width. Initially cut 3 strips. You may require more later. Wet your finger in water and take each strip. Roll your finger gently to make a thread. Ensure not to have a tight grip while threading or else the strip may tear. You can apply a little bit water on the thread. Try to make the thread till the end. Now I am making a spiral design by overlapping the layers. I am just showing a simple design. You can use your imagination and try a different one also. For uniformity, I am restricting to 5 layers of spiral. Apply Fevicol at the exact location you want and place the spiral design. Do not spread the Fevicol across the bottle. It may damage the glossy finish. I have placed the design at 4 locations. Now I am placing a smaller size spiral design just above the big one. As you can see, I have completed the main part of my design. Take a small rectangular strip of cardboard and stick it on the opening of the bottle. Here I have black metallic, golden and copper shades. I have used black metallic and golden on cardboard, and for tissue spiral I chose copper. I am showing the painted version of the bottle here. Now I am drawing 3 leaves above each spiral design. I am using golden acrylic paint for this. Initially, you can just wet your brush and draw the leaf very lightly using little bit of color. Later on, give a thick coat of the same paint. This will help you to avoid mistakes. A golden border touch-up gives a beautiful finish and overall antique look for this bottle. So now we see the bottle design is complete. All we used were commonly used household items, which is the uniqueness of this art. You can place this bottle just as a showpiece as shown here, or can be used as a flower vase. I hope you like my video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you soon with yet another simple craft. Till then, bye.